Okay, next, let's try to end this unit together with the wrap up. So, go to the unit summary. In this unit, we are talking mainly about 3D animation production pipeline because computer animation is kind of unique area that have to combine both art, science, and technical skill together. So the process to create a computer animation is quite unique and we call it 3D animation production pipeline. If you go through this pipeline, you will get the quality animation. After that, we go to the important roles that you should know. These people, the director, producer, lead technical director, and lead animators. These people are important people that make animation happen. After that, you really learn the whole general idea of the 3D animation production pipeline that have three main stages: the pre-production, production, and post-production. Then we go to the Pixar Studios 3D animation production pipeline in order to see the detail. And in this diagram, you will see it's clearly about the pre-production, production, and post-production. Moreover, you will see the relationship among the production itself, that there are several sub-stages. And after you get the all idea of 3D animation production pipeline, we really talk about the first stage, which is the pre-production in detail. In the first stage, there are 4 sub-units, which are story, editorial, art, and casting. So in the story, because you really need story, so there are 2 ways to get it. Mostly the person that will have the best understanding about the story is the director. You can either create your own original idea of the story, or you can use other people's story. But if you are going to use other people's story, you have to know the related copyright laws. Copyrights mean the people who hold the right to republish the work or to edit the work or create a new work out of that. And then, after you have the story, you have to create the storyboard in order to make clear about the idea that what you are going to have in your animation. And also, you have to communicate with your team. After you have the storyboard, you are going to your team, tell about it, and go to the editorial step. Editorial, you are going to make clear about the flow if you would like to switch the flow, about the pace and timing, and you create animatic out of that. After that, you go to the art unit. In the art unit, you try to design the look and feel of your animation. You design characters, props, and scenes. And after that, in the casting step, you are going to find the best matched sound to match your characters, and you record all of those sounds. And that's all that you have in this unit. Then, before you go to the next step or the next unit, don't forget to do the quiz. The quiz will have the score that we will use to combine it to the score that you have in class. And also don't forget to do the assignment.